When I first became vegan, coming up on 8 years ago at this stage, I started creating lots of recipes at home, and then I trained abroad and then became certified in plant-based nutrition, and really that passion in me just started to come through in the recipes that I was creating. After my cookbook was launched, I started to work with Merrion Hotel and I created what I think is just the most special vegan food. We start off with these gorgeous courgette pancakes, and then there's a really lovely kind of cashew and harissa dip that goes with it, and then the tomato just kind of slices through it and just gives that nice zesty flavour. And next up, when it comes to classic foods, I always think like spaghetti bolognese is something that I grew up with, and it's familiar and it's comforting. Here the lentil version is so satisfying, and then it's topped off with a really lovely basil parmesan as well, so there's so much flavour in it. When it comes to a dessert, I think this is probably the prettiest dessert we have ever created. Here what I love is you've all the freshness of the beautiful summer fruits, beautiful shortcake biscuit pieces, lovely crunch from the almonds, and then lemon balm on top, and it's a really refreshing but beautifully sweet dessert as well.